Hello and welcome to a demo for SAP Business One for time and expense entry. Now in this example, we're going to show you a form here, and this form is used to add expenses to the system. Now one thing I can tell you about this form is that it is completely modifiable, so it doesn't necessarily have to be, for instance, project name. This can be a job number, whatever information or data you'd like to track there. So I'm going to run through this scenario with this current setup, but just know that this can be modified. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select a project here. It's going to automatically enter in a project ID. It has a ready to submit yes or a no. In a no, it's just going to tell the system that don't put these in yet because I can add multiple entries. And once I click yes, I can submit them all at once. Now the next thing I'm going to do is enter in some expenses. So I can do that by clicking add. I can choose some expense types, and again, these are modifiable. I'm going to put in an amount, and that's just going to be 50. And we're going to put in a date. And once I do that and save and close, it's going to enter in a line item here. Now let's say we have multiples. We can go back through, we can add more, add in 100 this time, and there's our second line item there. Now if I made a mistake, again, I can go back in, I can edit and change any information as needed. And the last thing I can show you on this page here is we can attach receipts. By doing that, I can just click select file here. It's going to open up a file explorer and pull all the information from my computer here. So if I made a copy of this receipt here, I can add that. And now it's going to be attached to this form here, and we can go back and view it if needed, and it'll log that for us. Now this form here I'm showing you is on a desktop version, but it's also available in mobile, which I'm going to show you now. Now I've switched over to the mobile version of the same form, and the first thing I want to show you is how we sign in. So when you sign in, I'm using my finger for all of these touches here. I'm going to click on username. I'm going to click on the username that's saved. It's going to recognize my face, and as soon as it does that, it's going to begin logging us in here. And here is our menu. And we're going to go to add expense as we were before. And this is a little narrower. I'm currently on an iPhone. If I happen to be on a tablet, it will open up and expand to be the size of the tablet, so it will conform to whatever device you're on. But it's the same form like we did before, so we'll run through the same process here. We're going to go through project. We're going to add that. We're not ready to submit yet. We're going to add an expense. We'll add our amount. Add the date. But the unique thing that's on the phone here that's different from the desktop version is that you can select files when attaching receipts. You can select from a saved file from your phone, but you can also take a live photo off of your phone and attach it that way. So we're going to go to select files here, and you have the option to choose from your photo library. But what we're going to do is we're going to take a photo, and I have an example of a receipt here. So I'm going to take a picture of that. We're going to use photo, and now what it does is it's going to put it in that file there, and it's going to attach it to this expense. Thank you for watching this video. As always, please reach out to us here at Support One with any questions. Click on the link to subscribe for more content.